Alright, welcome back everybody. So today we're going to put in our 12-volt lights. So you saw us doing the wiring for it, and yes, it was very botch. But that's us, I'm afraid. We are very botched and we simply don't care. I mean, we're not making this campervan for anyone. It's just simply for us, and we don't have any intention of selling it off in the future. I don't think, even if Dad stopped working eventually and I moved away, I would probably take the campervan because, that's perfect for me if I wanted to take up photography if I lived on my own. We're going to run this van out, I don't think we're not going to sell it on. This is it now, this is our vehicle, If it needs a new engine, we get a new engine in it. So we're not making this for anyone. We're not professionals. Me and Dad have very limited skills and experience with woodwork and all this lot, so it's not going to be perfect, and these videos are purely for entertainment purposes only. Okay, do not follow these videos as a tutorial because half the time we don't really know exactly what we're doing, and there is a lot better methods for what we're doing. But this is just for entertainment. Have a laugh at our stupidity. I don't care, because that's what it's for. This is why I put that stupid music on, because it's all just to make you guys laugh and entertain you. That's all it's for. Okay, so stop saying it's bodge, because I know it is bodge and we don't really care. Anyway, moving on to the 12-watt lights. We're going to bit these up. They are about £24 or £20 off of Amazon. Cheapest ones you can get on Amazon. Prime delivery, and the other ones are really quite expensive, but these ones have a G rating, apparently 3 kilowatts an hour. I don't know, I don't believe it. They're LEDs, how can they use that much? We found out the wiring wasn't that thick as well, so I don't know, maybe that's wrong. They got pretty good reviews on Amazon, and we've got an 8-pack, we're only going to use 7, so we've got one spare. Also, they're meant to plug into, they're used for houses really, but they are 12 volt. So we got to find out which one is the negative, which one's the positive each time, because they're not marked. But yeah, it's not a problem. It's quite easy. And yeah, we just had to get a 60mm drill to drill the holes out. And yeah, that is perfect, really. 60mm. You get away with 59, but you can't really get 59 drill bits. But it's perfect for that drill bit actually, because it helped us with another job, which is installing our. Actually, I won't tell you, but it was, we used it for something else. Anyway, let's get on with installing these lights and the light switches. So we have 3 places in which screws go into the roof to join the roof. 1, 2, 3. No. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. The main 2 of these 2. Should we like to cover up with some nice, it's not trim or wood stock or anything. This stuff. So it's just like I don't know. Quite nice wood. Probably should have got thinner stuff than this actually in retrospect. It is quite thick. It's quite flexible. With these centimeters, 134 centimeters. It's a positive, not a Phillips. That's the trouble with those. Very well. As Dad just mentioned, there's more holes here. I forgot about them. So we need another length for that wood. I wanted to get 3, but Mum told me not to. She said, oh no, we need 2. Wrong. I have it here ready to do it. Right. Give me a load of thing on that, please. Oh, it's not coming out at the moment. What was that? Beep. Kiss. Is there enough adhesive on it? Oh dear. Hopefully this works.
Does it look straight? Maybe that way a bit. I don't know. Can't tell, can you? From there?
No, you have to pay a lot.
I knew this to be a bit.
Two bits of trim up to hide those joins. We don't have enough wood to do the last two. Need two more bits here and there.
It was easy. That was easy.
There we go.
I look over and went, oh, you absolute.
Well, there's the sounding pad.
You have to wait till everything's out of the way.
This is a 60mm drill bit to drill holes. This is the one that recommends us on Amazon.
And one guy said it was too big. So
Yeah, one side guy says use 55mm. It says 58.
58. Oh. Well, we got grip fill, so we'll just.
Now here's the test.
You just need to make sure it goes in. It is plastic, not wood, so it should be a more precise cut. Oh!
Under the sofa, I think the decorator's called.
All right, man. Really?
So these lights are the cheapest ones you can get on Amazon. You get 8-pack, which is exactly what we need for how much is it? 24.
About 20%, yeah.
But the only thing is they got a G rating for their energy efficiency, which is weird. But they're AD. See, there you go, G rating. Odd. So we couldn't find out
Got it now.
which one's positive and
The
negative.
one with the stripes, like blocks all the way down, is positive. I think this is
So we've run out of our little really good ones.
Oh yeah, we've got, but there's threes, isn't
Yeah.
there? And it's going to take loads of room up.
So we've got these old fashioned things.
I know what I
Switches, as you can see, they're mirrors, these ones.
Oh, they?
They're like mirrors, yeah, they're chrome. These are the cheapest ones you can get on Amazon that are not plastic. £3.50 a piece. You need 4 of them.
If they go wrong, you can send them back to Amazon.
Mmm.
Does it come on?
No.
Okay. Don't worry about it. I'll get the tester out now.
Maybe the wires are wrong. Light has come on now. It won't switch off, so I think the wires.
Yeah, it's because we thought this big one was the thing, didn't we? Isn't it? Or was it coming out the worktop that way? Oh no.
They're the same thing, the same.
You want undercounter lights anyway, don't you?
Yeah, LEDs.
Which will come from underneath.
There we go.
I'll let Josh switch it on. God, he likes that. Hold him again.
Bathroom light now.
Are you going to be okay doing that one?
Stuck that up anyway.
Oh, I know you haven't got any back boxes anyway, have you? Oh yes, right.
Mama's bedroom now.
You can run a cable from there,
Oh, yeah.
just tucked under here. These lights. Okay?
It's my eyes, Josh. Just needs to be tightened up. What?
Because they're like they're electrical screws. Fit any socket they want, any switch, any socket.
Got 2 lights left, don't we? We wanna.
Did you just put them on?
No, the wires
Oh,
are connected. We want to put another light here and another light in the hallway there, which we should have thought of, but we didn't.
Got 3 lights left, I think.
Yeah, got 3. Got a
Keep
spare one there.
Keep
haven't
one
we?
as a spare. If one
Yeah.
drops, breaks,
Hmm.
or the bowl breaks, we've got a spare on board. At the end of that. So the other end of this has got to go over to you. So I'm praying that somehow... Oh, you have to take your wires out first, won't you?
Trying to feel for this wire.
If not, we're going to have to find a different method to get it over there.
I don't have it.
Yay! I wonder why your hand dropped out. Right, so take that down. If we say that's our live now, that square rectangular one, alright? Right?
Yeah.
And then we go into there. I don't know where the screwdriver is. We bridge that. And then that's our neutral. Wind keeps getting up in gusts, doesn't it? It's very thin wire, this. Oh. Right. Where's the other one of that?
Huh? Oh, there it is. We've got to take this back down because we need to run this wire through
Josh wants an extra light in the
underneath
hallway.
this strip here, so we can put a light here in the hallway. So we've run the wire under there, got a little hole in there, just about to see, but that'll be covered up with chalk again. Runs underneath here because the switch needs to go this side. Yeah, that we'll figure something out for that, don't worry. And then the wire for this light runs underneath here, and then I've just done this little hole here. The last light will go in, and the ring will cover that up.
You got a light
There
in
we
mine.
go.
You don't read?
It's her in.
So remind me to put silicone on because I don't want them falling out.
Yes.
You know, get bumps.
Switch yours on, yeah.
That's mine. Can you see Mum in there? Only just, look, you can only just see Mum.
For the weather, the rain.
It's lovely. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. That's all of our lights up and running, and I've got to tell you, they've been brilliant, really. They're not amazingly bright. Don't really know how efficient they are. but they don't seem to be running the batteries down. And yeah, I'm quite happy with them, I really am. They fit in the holes alright, and yeah, I'm quite pleased. Worked out quite well, this one. They may not be in the perfect positions, but you're looking at it when there's no walls or anything up, so you can't tell how, you know, central the lights are and whatever, if they're all symmetrical. It doesn't matter. All separate rooms. Done it now. It's up and it's good. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.